Hola, I am Tony Galvez from Road Trip Spain and Portugal, where we help you plan the perfect trip with practical information and insider tips. Today we are going to talk about the Hola Barcelona travel card, the official transport pass for the city of Barcelona. On the video we are going to talk about what is Hola Barcelona, for how long it is valid, how to use it, where it can be used, where it cannot be used, how to purchase the pass, and finally who do we recommend the pass for. Hola Barcelona travel card is a transport card offered by TMB, Transports Metropolitans de Barcelona, Barcelona's local authority transport operator. The pass, for individual use, each person must have their own pass, allows for unlimited travel for as long as the pass is valid. Hola Barcelona is offered in 4 different formats. A pass valid for 48 hours, that is 2 days, a pass valid for 72 hours or 3 days, a pass valid for 96 hours or 4 days, and finally a pass valid for 120 hours, 5 days. An extremely useful feature of the pass is that it is activated the first time you use it, and time starts counting then, in terms of hours rather than natural days. So, when we tested the pass, we used it first at 10:46 on a Wednesday. As it was a 48-hour pass, it was valid until 10:46 on Friday, 2 days later. The pass is really simple to use. Every time you use a transport, you need to validate the trip. In the case of transports like the buses or the tram, where there is no physical barrier before you board the vehicle, when you enter the bus or the tram, look for the machine where you will insert the ticket in the direction the arrows on the card show. The machine will swallow the card and shortly after expel it. In the metro or the trains where there is a physical barrier, introduce the card in the slot so the doors open, and do not forget to grab the card. Hola Barcelona travel cards allow you to travel on board the following transports. All the Barcelona metro lines. Metro is the name for the subway, the underground. That includes the airport metro line, a fact that makes the card a very interesting investment. All the tram lines. The tram is Barcelona's modern tramway. All the bus lines running through the city of Barcelona, with the exception of the night lines. All the train lines running through the city of Barcelona, whether they are operated by Renfe or by FGC. The funicular of Montjuic, going up the Montjuic mountain from the parallel district, and the funicular of Vallvidrera, going up the Tibidabo mountain. Hola Barcelona travel card is not valid for Barcelona tourist buses, the hop-on, hop-off buses of the city, the Aerobús, the blue shuttle bus from the airport, the Aeri del Port, the cable car above the port of Barcelona, the Montjuic cable car, and the funicular of Tibidabo. All the transports mentioned above are not part of the integrated public transport system of Barcelona. To ride them, you need to buy specific tickets for each one of them. Hola Barcelona can be used in the city of Barcelona. It is not valid for trips outside the city. You cannot use it to get to Montserrat, Girona or Tarragona in the same way you could not use the local transport tickets to get to those faraway destinations. You could buy the Hola Barcelona travel card when you reach Barcelona on any metro station, but our advice is that you purchase it online before you begin your trip, getting a 10% discount over the price you would pay in Barcelona. Buy it at the Visit Barcelona Tickets website, the City of Barcelona's official website. Buying the card is quite easy, and on the description of the video you will find a link so you can check the up-to-date prices and buy the card if you want, with the 10% discount we've just mentioned. Make sure you write correctly your email address, as once you finish the purchase you will receive by email a voucher you will have to print and take it with you to Barcelona so you can exchange it for the pass. You can exchange the voucher at the main tourist offices in Barcelona, including the ones at the airport. Let's have a look at their location. If you arrive at T1, as soon as you reach the open area of the airport, turn right. The tourist office is quite close to the exit doors. If you arrive at T2, as soon as you reach the open area of the airport, turn left and walk till you reach the tourist office. You can see on the screen now its location, it's not too far. Once you get to the tourist office, you will hand your voucher and receive the card or cards. If you want to leave the airport right in the metro, you will be able to use them right away. In the final part of this video, we are going to assess who, in our personal opinion, can benefit greatly from the pass and who should skip it. For the purposes of this video, we bought and tried two 48-hour cards. And the truth is we loved the experience, the fact that we could use any type of public transport alternative at any time in the simplest possible manner was great. But the travel card might not be ideal for everyone, let's see. If you are the kind of person who visits a new city and doesn't want to spend time understanding how the public transport system works, if you'd rather pay once and enjoy unlimited travel, you will love the Hola Barcelona travel cards. If you're thinking of riding the airport metro and maybe return to the airport on the metro as well, the Hola Barcelona cards are an interesting investment considering that the return trip to the airport on the airport metro at the time of recording this video has a cost of 10-30 euros. Ride the airport metro to make the Hola Barcelona a worthwhile acquisition. If your accommodation is not so central and you will need to use the public transportation system on a daily basis, the cards can be a good idea too. If you're not going to stay long in Barcelona and want to make the most of the city, the Hola Barcelona card can be very useful. We love walking, and when we visit Barcelona we walk almost everywhere. But when we tested the pass, we loved the fact that every time we had to go somewhere else in Barcelona, we could do so quickly on the metro or the bus. On the 48 hours we used the pass, we managed to cover much more ground than if we had walked to places. Strolling through Barcelona is wonderful, but when you don't have much time and try to see as much as possible in a short period of time, getting quickly from one place to another becomes a valuable investment. But if you like to walk everywhere and you are going to stay somewhere central, meaning you will only use the public transport to go to more distant places like the Sagrada Familia or the Park Güell, the Hola Barcelona cards won't be worth your money. In that case, you would be better off buying the occasional ticket. And on that regard, do not miss the video where we introduce the main tickets that will help you travel through Barcelona. We hope you liked the information on the video. We are passionate about Barcelona and there are quite a few videos dedicated to the city on the channel. You will see links to the most important ones on the description of this video. The video you will see on the screen now is a general introduction to Barcelona with all the basic help you need to prepare the perfect trip to the capital of Catalonia. Até mais! Hasta la próxima. See you soon.